Hello everyone, welcome to Joanne Creates, where I make videos about bullet journaling, art supplies, and art related videos. Today I'm got something a little bit different. So I found this Moleskine notebook. It's a sketchbook. It's sketchbook quality paper, but at the beginning I used it as a notebook. So what I am planning to do, and as you can see here, I tried to go over with white paint and it left a really yucky feel. Anyways, what I'm going to do is try and replace the pages and see how that goes. So I'm going to be taking an X-Acto blade and taking them out and then cutting paper, which is different, but from this Canson mixed media pad. I'm gonna cut paper to size and glue in so it should replace. I'm gonna see how it goes. I'm sure this is not the greatest idea, but we will see. Anyways, I'm going to be using an X-Acto blade and a sharp ruler, and yeah, I will get back to you. Okay, so now that I've gotten all the pages out, what I'm going to do is cut this paper to size so it will go in here. We'll see how this goes. Now I have 10 pages, the right size. So let me see here. Now I have 10 pages the right size. We're just going to make sure they are. Which we're a little bit shy, but whatever. So the whole thing is that I'm going to glue this in, and hopefully if we have it dry overnight it will stay. Let me see. I do have some Mod Podge. We'll see how the Mod Podge works out. We'll use. Maybe I'll just use one of these. I'm going to go and get a brush. So we have this piece of paper, and let's see, do have some Mod Podge that I'm going to try. So I'm gonna try putting the smallest bit right in this corner. There. Just go like this. And then we'll take the next one. I know this isn't the most ideal solution, but I really don't want to waste this sketchbook. I don't know. The sketchbooks cost a lot, and I really just don't want to be wasting money buying new ones when I have half-used ones that aren't going to get fully used for what I used them for anyways, so we'll see. And I'm going to put like a heavy weight on this. And let it dry overnight, and hopefully that will be good for letting this dry. put this on it to weigh it down, and I'm gonna let it dry for a few hours. I will let you know how it goes. Probably not the most ideal because you're adding double thickness right near the spine. But in effects, I only replaced, I think, 9 pages. I'll see how it goes. And this is just a sketchbook that I want to put in my purse so I have things that I can draw when I'm waiting and whatnot. And it's a Moleskine. I replaced it. The pages I did replace, I used some Canson mixed media, which I think is I think it's a bit thicker, but who knows. Anyways, I will check in on this project at a later date and let you know how it went. Thank you all for watching today, and subscribe and like down below, and tune in next week for my next video. Thank you.